Hi everybody, welcome back to Super RC Geeks channel. Today I am taking you right into the action of my run at China's first ultra-light manned electric aircraft racing competition. Let's dive in. This time around, 12 companies threw their hats into the ring, and only 9 made it to the manned flight racing final. The key rule here, the aircraft's manned takeoff weight has to be under 116 kilograms. The ride I'm piloting today is the DL-180 flying race car. Check it out. It's kitted out with Fresenius solid lithium batteries, 20 per second, 100 volts, 36,000 milliamp hours each. Stats-wise, it hits a max speed of 20 meters per second, carries a rated load of 70 kilograms, max 100 kilograms, and can stay airborne for up to 15 minutes. Oh! And the whole package is priced at $30,000. Now watch the screen, see how smooth this is. I am flying it with just one hand right now. No sweat. Let go of the controls, and it locks into a steady hover at the current height. Super stable. When I flick the thumb rocker up, you can see the speed pick up instantly. Let go and the height stays locked tight. Push the main stick forward a little, and it cruises faster. Push more, and it zips ahead. Want to turn right? Just nudge the stick to the right, and it banks smooth lie without losing control. Look at that re-ray gliding. Past the marker flags now. No wobbly moments at all, even when I adjust direction quickly. The DL-180 stays responsive and easy to handle. This thing is so user-friendly. You could pick up the basics in no time. So this sleek, easy-to-fly new aircraft, are you already itching to get your hands on one? Take it for Aspen. If you want the full details, shoot me an email. You will find the contact info in the video description below. Let's keep the conversation going.